Hello children, we have already completed practice set 1.1 and we have completed total 7 sums, right, and also the sub questions which were there in practice set 1.1, and today we are going to start with practice set 1.2. So we are doing the first question of practice set 1.2. Now what is given here? Decide whether the pair of segments given below are congruent or not. Now, what is the definition of congruent segments? Those segments are said to be congruent whose lengths are equal. Those segments are said to be congruent whose lengths are equal. Now, children, as you can see, three sums are given to you: the first sum, the second sum, and the third sum. Now, out of this, I will be doing the second sum. The remaining two sums, the first and the third, is given to you as homework, which is written here, homework 7. So two sums are given to you as homework. Okay, so I am doing the second sum. Now for the second sum, I need to find the length of BC and also the length of AD, and then we will compare. Now if these two segments need to be congruent, then the length of BC should be same as the length of AD. Like, this is what we need to remember. Now what is given here? You can see the points are given to us and also the coordinates are given below. So coordinate of point A is -3, coordinate of point B is 5, coordinate of point C is 2, coordinate of point D is -7, and coordinate of point E is 9. Now children, when we have positive integers, see, number line is not provided to us, correct? But when we look at the integers, we know that the positive integers, we know that the 9 is greatest, right? We know the 9 is greatest, and then the lower number to that is 5 and the least is 2. But when we look at the negative integers, only two negative integers are given to us. It is -3 and -7. Now, as you know, along the number line, if this is O, the origin, as we move towards the left, out of -3 and -5, generally we write -3 first, and then we write -7, and then we write -7. So out of -3 and -7, which integer is the greatest? It is -3, simply because -3 lies to the right side of -7, correct? So only two integers are given, -3 and -7, and we have come to know that -3 is greatest. Now let us begin with our sum. That is, we need to find length of BC and length of AD. So how do we write? Always we write coordinate of point B, coordinate of point B, and we write coordinate of point C. So coordinate of point B is 5 and coordinate of point C is 2, right? Therefore length BC is equal to the greater coordinate 5 minus the smaller coordinate 2. So 5 minus 2, you get the answer as 3. Now for the second segment, now coordinate of point A and coordinate of point D. What is coordinate of point A? -3. What is coordinate of point D? It is -7. And just now we have seen along the number line of -3 and -7, -3 is to the right of -7. So this shows us that -3 is greater. Therefore length of AD is equal to the greater coordinate -3 minus the smaller coordinate, which is -7. So here we are getting -3, minus into minus becomes plus, Now two integers are there. One is having positive sign, the other is having a negative sign. So the operation is going to be subtraction. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And also the sign of the greater number. Here the greater number is 7. So 4 is also going to be positive. 4 is also going to be positive. Now let us compare. We have got BC as 3 and we have got AD as 4. So we can write the final statement as length BC not equal to length AD. Therefore, segment BC and segment AD are not congruent. In the similar way, you need to check for DE and AB, and you also need to check for BE and AD. Now children, as I told you, out of the 3 sums, the second I have done, the remaining 2 are homework. Now coming to solutions of homework 6, 5 sums were given to you children. So solution of the first sum, the answer is 3, that is the distance between the coordinates. Solution of second sum is 8, third is 9. The sixth sum solution is 22 and the seventh sum solution is 165. So the solution of homework 7 will be given to you the next day. Will be given to you on the next day. Okay, thank you.